All right. Here picking up a load from Mr. Charlie. Yeah. Mr. Charlie provided me a load board. Found me a good little load that suits my needs for me and my family. Yeah. Shit, I hope that trailer alright, but for the most part, I think they said dock door 11. We gonna get in 11 and get loaded.
I'm hustling, 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 hustling. Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm hustling.
All right. Rooster over there warming up. Yeah, she warming up. We ain't going nowhere. We going our ass back to sleep. I've been in the door since I got here. Got here probably like at 3 o'clock. Booked a load. 2 loads really. One coming here, one leaving here and going somewhere else. But when I got here, they had all kind of JB Hunt 360s. Oh, you see them, right? The one particular trailer that they wanted me to pick up, just my damn load too, shit, by the way. Shit, they had to give me some new paperwork. They told me they had to damn cut my damn shit short. I'm thinking I'm getting a light load. That ain't gonna happen. But when I get here, man, they had me a sign on that trailer right there, hooked up to the trailer. Damn brakes or whatever the hell it is, locked up on the trailer. They said the damn trailer been sitting here for, what, 2 months? That's the trailer that they assigned. Now, I'm supposed to drop this one, pick this one up, and then back into the door. But being that I couldn't get that trailer right there to move, they just said, freak it. They took all the product off this trailer and they just reloaded me on this trailer. This trailer rolled good the whole time. I think I came up 7,000 pounds, and this is what I'm leaving with. I ain't got nothing but like 241 miles on this particular load. That's why I booked it. No deadhead on the load, good rate. Yeah, straight through. Yeah, we'll be there today. But I guess this is one of the things that you got to deal with. You know, here, gonna be a new adjustment I'm gonna have to get used to, because I ain't used to I'm used to just carrying the same doggone trailer most of the time. But for the most part, like I said, I got here, the trailer that they had assigned to me was jacked up, and I asked them, can they just reload this one? Since this one was good, they reloaded it. About to take off, let me see. Should weigh out pretty right. Yeah. Gonna go back to the hand, go to sleep, and then we're gonna hit the road probably about 4 or 5 hours. Y'all pray for your boy. Come on.